स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं मातुलचन्द्रः इति एकं शिशुगीतं पठामः। Welcome to online classes, my dear students. In the class 6, today we are going to learn a poem by name Matula Chandra. Matula means mama. Chanda mama, you might have heard the kids. The mother shows Chandamama and feeds her children, is it? So all of you are very fond of Chandamama. So in every language in India, we have songs on Chandamama. That is Matula Chandraha. Matula means Mama. Chandraha means Chand. Hmm? So like this, we feel that Chandra, moon, as a uncle for the children. So first, let us sing the poem. Kuta gacchasi matula Chandra, kutra gamishyasi matula Chandra, kuta gacchasi matula Chandra, कुत्र गमिष्यसि मातुलचन्द्र अतिशयविस्तृतनीलाकाशः नैव दृश्यते क्वचिदवकाशः कथं प्रयास्यसि मातुलचन्द्र कुतः गच्छसि मातुलचन्द्र कथमायासि न भो मम गेहम् मातुलकिरसि कथं न स्नेहम् कदा गमिष्यसि मातुलचन्द्र कुतः गच्छसि मातुलचन्द्र धवलं तव चन्द्रिकावितानं तारकखचितं सितपरिधानम् मह्यं दास्यसि मातुलचन्द्र कुतः गच्छसि मातुलचन्द्र त्वरितमेहि मां श्रावय गीतिं प्रियमातुलवर्धय मे प्रीतिं किन्नायासि मातुलचन्द्र कुतः गच्छसि मातुलचन्द्र. So like this is the poem about Matulachandra, and the kids are very imaginary. Their imagination doesn't have any limit. So in this poem, beautifully explained the imagination of a small kid, and he is asking, see how he wonders. Kuta agachasi matula chandra. My dear moon, I am seeing from where you are coming. Is it? Some you will be watching the sky, unknowingly you will see. Arre, without your notice, without entrance, he comes. From where do you come? And kutra gamishyasi matula chandra. You come from somewhere which I don't know. And kutra gamishyasi matula chandra. When sun rises, automatically you disappear. Where will you go? From where do you come? And where do you go, my dear Chandamama? Why? Because Atishaya Vistruta Neelakashaha. Vistrutaha, spread. Atishaya Vistrutaha. The sky is very big and spread everywhere. This blue sky is spread everywhere. Naiva drishyate kvachidavakashaha. Avakashaha, space. For home, if you have a home, you will have the door to come. So anybody comes, he comes through the door. But for this sky, which is so big, and in this sky, there is no door naiva drushyate. I cannot see. Kvachit avakasha. There is no space to enter. There is no door to enter to the sky. But still you come from somewhere. From where do you come? And there is no door to go also. And where do you go? Katham prayasyasi matula chandra. How do you go? Because there is no door in the sky. Kuta agachasi matula chandra. How do you go? And how do you come? Kathamayasi nabho mama geham. So when you can enter the sky, why you are not coming to my home? Kathamayasi nabho mama geham. Geham means house. When you can come to the sky, why can't you come to my home? Matula, because I am calling you, you are my mama. Kirasi katham nasneham. You are giving kirasi, you are spreading. So why you are not spreading so much friendship to me? I love you so much. But you also should love me, no? You should come to my home. Kadagamishyasi matula chandra. When will you come to my home? Kada, when? Agamishyasi, when will you come, my dear Chandamama? Kuta gachasi matula chanda. And tell me from where you are coming. Dhavalam tava chandrika vitanam. How is your dress? Dhavalam. Your dress is fair, shwetam. Dhavalam means shwetam, white in color. Chandrika vitanam. Moon rays, Chandrika. Chandrika means moonlight. Your dress is white and it is giving the moonlights. Taraka kachitam. Taraka kachitam. Your dress, it is full of stars. Stars are spread on your dress. Sita paridhanam. Sita again. Sita means dhavala, white. Paridhanam. Paridhanam means dress, vastram. Your white dress is full of stars. It is having the stars on it. Mahyam dasyasi matula chandra. Your coat is so attractive. Mahyam dasyasi. Will you give that dress to me, my dear Chandamama? Kuta gachasi matula chandra. From where you will come, my dear Chandamama? Tvaritam mam shravaya geetam. Tvaritam, quickly. Ehi come. Mam shravaya geetam. मुझे गाना सुनाओ. जल्दी आओ. Please come fast and sing a song for me. Priyamatula, you are my dearest uncle, mama. Vardhaya me preetim. Please increase love on me. Kinnayasyasi matula chandra. Are you not coming, my dear Chandamama? Kuta gachasi matula chandra. Please come. Is it not? So children will be very happy to look at the moon. Even in Ramayana, we see the story that Rama was crying for the Chandamama. Then Dasharath, he wanted the Chandamama should come to his home. Is it? Then Dasharatha took a what? Mirror. In the mirror, he has shown that Chandamama has come onto your lap. Is it? So, like that, children are very fond of Chandamama. Let us see the exercises. Balageetam Sabhinayam Saswaram Gayata. We have to sing it. We have sung. Padyamsham Yojayata Matula Kirasi Katham na Sneham. Matula Kirasi Katham na Sneham. Taraka Kachitam Sita Paridhanam. Taraka Kachitam Sita Paridhanam. Tvaritameh mam Shravaya Geetim. Tvaritameh mam Shravaya Geetim. Atishaya Vistruta Nilakashaha. Atishaya Vistruta नीलाकाशः धवलं तव चन्द्रिकावितानं धवलं तव चन्द्रिकावितानं द्वितीयः अभ्यासः पद्यांशान् योजयेत मातुलकिरसि कथन्न स्नेहं same is repeated is it so let us go to the next one प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि लिखत अस्मिन् पाठे कः मातुलः who is mama in this चन्द्रः what you have to write अस्मिन् पाठे चन्द्रः मातुलः नीलाकाशः कीदृशः अस्ति नीलाकाशः अतिशयविस्तृतः अस्ति अतिशयविस्तृतः अस्ति मातुलचन्द्रः किं न किरति मातुलचन्द्रः स्नेहं न किरति किं श्रावयितुं शिशुः चन्द्रं कथयति गीतं श्रावयितुं शिशुः चन्द्रं कथयति चन्द्रस्य सितपरिधानं कथम् अस्ति उत्तरं चन्द्रस्य सितपरिधानं तारकखचितम् अस्ति नेक्स्ट वन it is just like we have learnt the shabdas this is sambodhana chandraha sambodhana he chandra iti bhavati शिष्यः शिष्य गोपालः गोपाल एतत् पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति स्त्रीलिङ्गे बालिका हे बालिके प्रियं वद प्रियं वदे लता लते नपुंसकलिङ्गे फलं शब्दः फलं फल हे फले हे फले हे फलानि फले इति भवति हे फल हे फले हे फले हे फलानि मित्र हे मित्र पुस्तकं पुस्तक रविः रवि इस् इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः रवे रविः रवे इति भवति मुनिः मुने इति भवति कविः कवे इति साधु उकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः साधुः साधो भानुः भानो शिशु पशुः पशो इति भवति नदी इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति नदी नदी स्माल् दी देवी स्माल् देवी मानिनी मानिनी इति भवति अनन्तरं मञ्जूषातः उपयुक्तानाम् अव्ययपदानां प्रयोगेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयेत कुतः फ्रॉम वेर कदा when कुत्र where कथं how किं what जगन्नाथपुरी कुत्र अस्ति where is जगन्नाथपुरी ओरिस्सा त्वं डैश पुरीं गमिष्यसि त्वं कदा when will you go to Puri Jagannathpuri in Orissa गंगा नदी कुतः प्रवहति from where Ganga river flows from Gangotri is it तव स्वास्थ्यं कथम् अस्ति कथं fourth one is कथं how is your health वर्षाकाले मयूराः किं कुर्वन्ति what do peacock do when in the rainy season they dance is it जगन्नाथपुरी कुत्र अस्ति त्वं कदा पुरीं गमिष्यसि गंगा नदी कुतः प्रवहति तव स्वास्थ्यं कथम् अस्ति वर्षाकाले मयूराः किं कुर्वन्ति लास्ट एक्सरसाइज तत्सम शब्दान् लिखत मामा in Hindi we call so its original is matula in Sanskrit more more means peacock so in Sanskrit we call mayuraha more mayuraha tara tara in Hindi that is star we call it tarakam koyal koyal means cuckoo in Sanskrit we call kokilaha Kabootar. Kabootar, dove, pigeon, we call. In Sanskrit, we call kapotaha. Kapotaha. Okay. With this, we have concluded this poem. Entire syllabus is completed. Bhavatu Shubhadinam. Bhavatu Anudinam. Dhanyavad.